Hey, Lucy. What you doing, sweetie? Guess where she's laying? On my purse. I think she wants my purse. But she's so pretty. She won't lay on me like the other cats. But she lays on my purse. Says she wanted it. You want my purse, Lucy? Hmm? Lucy. She gets on my purse to clean. What do you say? What do you say, pretty girl? What you doing? Lucy. And here we got Molly. Get. Yeah. She's a sweetie. She's a sweetie. Oh, Molly's helping the baby keep clean. That's so sweet. Thank you, Molly. She loves it. She loves it. Nice. Her so sweet. Oh, here. Well, she really was doing it until I turned a video on. Started videoing. It's really dreary today. Cloudy, no sun. Y'all better double up on your vitamin D. In this kind of weather. I notice I hurt more in the winter time. Lily. Lily. I think they want to take a nap. Lily's taking a bath too. Molly was helping her. But she quit when I turned on the camera. Excuse me, but I need a nap myself. Lily. It's nap time, y'all. Is it nap time, Molly? Take care of the baby. Take care of the little baby. I went outside a few minutes and it's supposedly 60 degrees, but it feels like it's 40. So I came back in. I just don't like staying in all that much. But wintertime, sometimes it's not our choice. I guess wintertime's the time for rest, if you can. Say good night or good evening.